Welcome everyone in the technical chart analysis. So today we'll be discussing in the next other video about technical chart of some another stock. But in this moment, I just love to talk about more about the current ongoing thing like petrol price discussion. Okay, and definitely the petrol diesel prices affect the stock market as well. Okay, and lot of things happen over there. Okay, so I do have kind of one data set like uh, from 2011 to 2021. Okay, so on that chart I just like to uh, I just like to have small discussion. So I don't know the exact name of the color, but this is kind of green color. Okay, so green color represent petrol prices, and this is kind of a dark chocolate color. Okay, it represents the diesel. Okay, so what we see, and one thing, this is the data which we get it from mypetrolprice.com. Okay, so the credit goes to you, credit goes to them, and from the data set we just analyzing the chart. Okay, so what we understand that the petrol prices were falling in 2014 and they up to touch up to around 65 rupees. Okay, from that as well as the diesel as well. So diesel that time is around 50 rupees. Okay, so that was a low that made from 2011, and from that it increased substantially. So we can see that 90 rupees price in around 2018. Okay, and here probably because of the COVID, the people like the complete country was in lockdown. So obviously the demand wasn't there. So obviously, considering the demand supply equation, the prices were fall from around 90 to directly up to 75 rupees. Okay, and it was again. So it created one support here to 75, and from that 75, somewhere around November or some around uh, not know exactly, but we can say around the January. Okay, January 2020 or some around the year of 20, they again increase. Okay, so I will say mm, around October. Okay, so October 20, the prices are getting increase and increase, and they goes up to around above 95 rupees. Okay, so one thing we can see, so at 65 they have a very good support, but I don't think it will come to 65. Obviously there has to be that much huge supply, and there should not be too much demand. Then and then there is possibility that it can came to 65, but in practical case it won't be the same scenario. And the second level is 75. Okay, there are some chances to come to not exactly 75, but maybe around 80, considering the election and everything. So the petrol prices uh, might become, and we are all are hoping to have just drop it down, considering our current day-to-day expenses. So probably, I believe that they should come to 75, and from that 75, and they should stick over there. Probably, I guess they might come to 80. That's what I feel. So, so this is a very good data actually. So I just thought to have a discussion on them. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.